I'm looking for a picnic basket. Hey, Boo Boo, where are you? It's so thick in the jungle. I can't find my way out. Oh my God, it's so thick. Woo! Oh Lord, it's so thick. Oh, I think I see a way out. Woo! Hey, hi guys. Hey, my name is Misty Hudson. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and I'm a mother of 3. And by looking at me, I guess you wouldn't know that I taught myself how to drive a big rig. Yeah, that's right. I drive big rigs. Breaker, breaker, 10-4, coming at ya. Let's get her done. Anyway, my biggest endeavor that I just done is this right here. Yes, I killed the famous, infamous black cougar. Look at how huge it is. It's as tall as I am. It's tall, it's big, it's huge. Come on, right now, we're in the city of Los Animals. So, come on, let's go on an adventure. I didn't want it to be seen. Right here we have the famous black cougar. It's Bejeweled Cougar. Wow, look at the size of that. Woo! And over here, we have the famous monkey. Woo-hoo! Woo! Go monkey, go monkey, go! He's killing me! Oh Lord, he's killing me! Oh Lord, he's killing me! Woo! Come on, we're gonna go. Careful. Be very careful. Oh Lord. Come on, you can't see me. Yeah, that was the size of that tiger right there. Come on. As a child growing up, I had a pet poodle. His name was Pierre, but he died. Let's have a moment of silence for Pierre. Okay, my new pet right now, her name is Silly. See her? Hi, Silly. See, Silly? That's Silly. That's my pet fish. One day when I was over here at the sink, trying to clean her fish tank out, right there, she jumped into that skillet. Luckily, it wasn't on the stove at the time. So that's it for now. Thank you for coming to the city of Los Animals. It's hot in here. Woo! My pet peeve is cats. I'm scared of those. Meow.